Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. This video is Lcm and Hcf part 2. In the previous video, we learned about the methods of calculating Lcm. This video, we will start from the method of calculating Hcf. There are two methods. First one is factorization method. And second is division method. In factorization method, we write each numbers as the product of their prime factors, and then we take the factors with the lowest common power which are common to all the numbers. Suppose we have to find the HCF of 36, 42 and 126, then first we will write these numbers as the product of prime factors. 36 is equals to 2 square into 3 square. 42 is equals to 2 into 3 into 7. And 126 is equals to 2 into 3 square into 7. Now common lowest powers is 2, 3. So the HCF would be 2 into 3, which is equals to 6. So this is the factorization method. Next is division method. In division method, suppose we are using the same numbers, that is 36, 42, 126. Now first we take the two of the smallest number. So these are the two smallest number, and then we will divide the larger number with the smaller number. So 36 is divided by 42. It leaves the remainder 6. Next, we will divide the divisor with the remainder. So this is like this. And we will continue this process until the remainder is 0. Then we will divide the next number, in this case it is 126, by the divisor, which is 6. Here we would get the remainder again as 0. So our HCF is 6. There are certain important formulas that can be useful to solve the problems based on Lcm and Hcf. Now suppose there are two numbers, say A and B, with their Lcm as L and Hcf is equals to H. That is, Lcm of A and B is L and Hcf of A and B is H. Then L into H is equals to A into B. Next, if we have to find the Lcm or Hcf of fractions, say A by B, C by D, E by F, fractions like this, then the Lcm of fraction is equals to Lcm of numerator divided by HCF of denominator, which is Lcm of AC and E divided by HCF of B, D and F, and HCF of the fractions is equals to HCF of numerator, that is HCF of AC and E divided by Lcm of denominator, that is Lcm of B, D and F. Sometimes we face the question like find the least number which when divided by A, B and C leaves no remainder. Here the answer would be the Lcm of A, B and C. Now if the question says find the least number which when divided by A, B, C leaves the same remainder R in each case, then in that situation the answer would be LCM of A, B and C plus the remainder R. And if we are given the question like a least number which when divided by A, B and C leaves remainder P, Q and R, where A minus P is equals to B minus Q is equals to C minus R, which is equals to say K, then in this situation the answer would be LCM of A, B, C minus K. Now let us suppose we have to find a least number of n digits, which on being divided by A, B and C leaves no remainder. So for this we have to first find the LCM of A, B and C. Suppose it is equals to L. Then we have to divide the least number of n digit, divide least number of n digit by the LCM. Now let the remainder be R. So let R be the remainder. So the number would be, so the desired number, that is the least number of n digit which on divided by A, B, C will leave no remainder, would be the least number of n digit plus LCM minus remainder. So it will be least number of n digit plus L minus R. Now if it is given that when a number, find the least number of n digit which when divided by A, B, C leaves remainder R in each case, for this situation we will first continue like the previous example, like we will find the LCM n, then we will divide the least number of n digit by the LCM and take the remainder R. Then we will find the answer as the least number of n digit plus L minus R plus small r. So this will give the answer, that is the least number of n digit which on being divided by A, B, C will give the remainder R in each case. Suppose we have to find the greatest number which will divide A, B and C and leave no remainder. In this case the answer would be HCF of A, B and C. Now if we have to find the greatest number which when divide A, B and C will leave the remainder as U, V and R respectively, in that case the answer would be the HCF of A minus U, B minus V and C minus R. Now if it leaves same remainder, then the HCF then the answer would be the HCF of A minus R, B minus R and C minus R if same remainder R. Then the answer would be HCF of A minus R, B minus R and C minus R. Now if the question is given that find the greatest number which will divide the number A, B and C and leave the same remainder, but the remainder is not given, then the answer would be the HCF of the difference, that is A minus B, B minus C and A minus C, where A is greater than B is greater than C. Suppose we have to find the greatest n digit number which on being divided by a, b and c leaves no remainder. Then we have to find the LCM of a, b and c. Then we have to divide the greatest number of n digit number by the LCM and find the remainder. Let the remainder be r. Then the greatest n digit number on being divided by a, b and c that will give no remainder will be given as greatest n digit number minus the remainder r. Now, if the question is given like find the greatest n digit number on being divided by a, b, c leaves remainder r, in that situation again we have to find the LCM. Then we have to divide the greatest n digit number by the LCM and find the remainder, say r, and then our answer would be the greatest n digit number minus r plus small r.